Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally and with real emotion? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is a tender journey across years and miles. The long flight home, a mother's memories, a hard youth, a life she built, distance from her son, and a quiet reunion. So relax, listen closely, and repeat every line with me. Today's story is called I Go to Visit My Son. Are you ready? Let's begin. The ticket.
My name is Anna. I am 80 years old. Today, I will fly. I will see my son. I pack slowly. I fold a blue scarf. I touch an old photo. My hands remember.
Before the journey.
I sit by the window. The sky is clear. My heart is loud. My house is quiet. Will he know me? Will I know him? I breathe in. I breathe out. I choose hope.
A girl with no school.
When I was a girl, we were poor. The boys went to school. Girls stayed home. At night, I listened. I copied letters in dust. I read old labels. I taught myself to read.
Leaving home.
One morning I left. No suitcase. Only courage. I took a bus. I found a small shop. I cleaned the floors. I counted coins. I learned prices and people.
Learning to build.
I watched the owner. I watched with care. Buy low, save small. Treat customers like family. I took notes. I saved coins. I stitched my future. Thread by thread.
My first store.
Years later, I tried. I rented a tiny room, a shelf, a counter, a bell on the door. People laughed. Too small, they said. I smiled. I opened anyway.
Seeds of respect.
I swept the floor. I fixed a hem. I mended a bag. I lent a coin. Little by little, faces returned. Names became friends. Doubts became respect.
My terms.
I married on my terms. Kindness first. No raised hands. No raised voice. We had a son. I promised him school. Books, not just bread. Dreams, not just days.
Distance grows.
He grew tall. He studied hard. He left for the city. I waved from the door. Calls became rare. Letters came slowly. Work became my companion. Silence lived at home.
The letter.
One winter day, a letter arrived. Mother, come visit. I held the paper. My eyes watered. My hands shook. I read it twice. Then again.
Airport steps.
I walked into the airport. Bright lights. Fast feet. Many voices. A young worker smiled. Gate B7. Ma'am. I nodded. I moved carefully.
In the air.
Clouds under me. Blue above me. I closed my eyes. I saw a small boy. He ran in the yard. He laughed in the sun. Time is a river. I floated on it.
Waiting hall.
We landed. I sat on a bench. A clock ticked softly. A door opened, closed. He did not come. A messenger came. Your son is at work. Please follow me. I stood up slowly.
The walk.
We crossed a busy street. We entered a tall building, glass doors, quiet elevators. I carried my scarf. I carried my years. I carried my hope. I kept walking.
The door.
We reached a door. The messenger knocked. My heart knocked too. The door opened. He stood there, older, sharper, tired. I saw his eyes. My boy's eyes.
First words.
We looked at each other. He stepped forward. Mother, he said. His voice was thin. I am sorry, he said. I was afraid to call. I nodded slowly. I came anyway.
The apology.
He held my hands. He was shaking. I was busy, he said. I was proud and afraid. I missed your voice. I missed your bread. I missed your simple yes. We both smiled with tears.
A small kitchen.
He made tea. The cup steamed. The room softened. We sat at a small table. We shared stories. We shared quiet. He opened a window. Air entered. So did peace.
Work and help.
I can help you, he said. With stock. With prices. With a card machine. I laughed. I taught myself to read, I said. I can learn a machine. He laughed too.
The meal.
We ate rice. We ate soup. We blessed the bread. We blessed the day. He asked about the town. I asked about his heart. He looked down. He said, "It is lonely."
A mother's lesson.
I touched his arm. Lonely as a room, I said. Open the window. Let someone in. Start with hello. Say thank you. Bring bread. Bring time. He nodded.
Night thoughts.
He gave me a bed. The sheet was clean. The pillow was kind. I watched city lights. I thought of dust letters. I thought of my tiny shop. I thought of the bell on the door. I slept with a smile.
Morning walk.
We walked at dawn. The street yawned. Coffee woke up. Windows blinked. He held my arm. I held his pace. We matched our steps. We met our years.
Mending the thread.
We passed a tailor. Spools of color. Needles like silver. Cloth like fields. Life is stitching, I said. Slow, careful, strong. He squeezed my hand.
Promise.
At the door, he said, "Come again soon." I nodded. "Call again sooner." He laughed softly. He promised twice. We hugged long. We let go slowly.
The return.
At the airport, I sat by the window. Planes drew white lines. Birds wrote nothing. I held a new photo. I held an old scarf. I held a full heart. I felt young.
What I know.
I know bread rises slowly. I know respect grows slowly. I know love waits. I know love stays.
For you,
For you, who listen, start small, learn daily, knock gently, enter bravely. If you feel far, write one line, make one call, take one step. Love will meet you.
great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. I go to visit my son is not only about travel, it is about patience, dignity, and love that waits. Anna teaches us. Start small, learn daily, and open the window when life feels lonely. Sometimes, the longest distance is just one brave step. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. One page, one story, one step, your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.